Hazrat Usman radiallahu anhu. Hazrat Usman ibn Affan, radiallahu anhu, also known as Usman Ghani, was the third Caliph of Islam. He was born in 573 CE in the Quraysh tribe of Mecca, which is located in present-day Saudi Arabia. Usman hailed from a respected and affluent family and was renowned for his honesty, generosity, and exceptional business acumen even prior to embracing Islam. During his early life, Usman achieved considerable success as a merchant and trader, primarily dealing in textiles. His prosperous ventures earned him the title of Zun Nurayn, or the possessor of two lights, as he had the honor of being married to two of Prophet Muhammad's daughters, Ruqayya and later Kulthum. Usman's conversion to Islam occurred in the early days of the faith, and he was among the earliest individuals to embrace it. His acceptance of Islam brought him immense spiritual satisfaction and marked the beginning of his devoted journey as a Muslim. Throughout the life of Prophet Muhammad, Usman played an integral role as a loyal companion. He actively participated in various battles and expeditions, including the significant encounters of Badr and Uhud. Usman's unwavering commitment to the cause of Islam was evident during the Battle of Tabuk, where he generously contributed substantial financial support to the Muslim army and fulfilled the needs of his fellow believers. Following the assassination of the second Caliph, Umar ibn al-Khattab, Usman was elected as the third Caliph in the year 644 CE. His caliphate lasted for a period of 12 years and was marked by his steadfast dedication to justice, compassion, and upholding the principles of Islam. During his tenure as Caliph, Usman implemented crucial administrative reforms that aimed to expand and organize the Islamic State. He appointed capable governors in various regions and introduced a system of financial accountability to ensure transparency in the utilization of public funds. Notably, he also initiated the compilation of the Qur'an into a standardized book format, known as the Uthmanic Codex, which played a significant role in preserving the authenticity of the Qur'an's recitation. Usman placed a strong emphasis on the promotion of Quranic knowledge and played a pivotal role in preserving the accurate recitation of the Qur'an. He ordered the creation of multiple copies of the Qur'an and dispatched them to different regions of the expanding Islamic Empire. This proactive measure prevented any discrepancies in the recitation of the Qur'an and safeguarded its original form. Under Usman's caliphate, the Islamic Empire experienced remarkable territorial expansion, reaching its zenith in terms of land under Muslim control. The conquered regions were governed with a sense of justice and fairness, ensuring stability and prosperity for the Muslim populace. Non-Muslim citizens were granted the freedom to practice their respective religions, fostering a climate of religious tolerance within the empire. However, Usman's caliphate also encountered challenges and controversies. Some segments of society expressed discontentment over his leniency toward corrupt officials within the administration. There were also accusations of favoritism towards his own tribe, the Quraysh, which fueled opposition and dissent among certain groups. In 656 CE, the discontent escalated into a rebellion against Usman's caliphate. A group of rebels attacked his house in Medina, leading to his tragic martyrdom. Despite the circumstances surrounding his death, Usman is highly regarded and respected among Muslims for his significant contributions to the development of Islam, his unwavering commitment as a companion of Prophet Muhammad, and his determined efforts to preserve the integrity of the Qur'an. The life of Hazrat Usman radiallahu anhu exemplified the virtues of piety, generosity, and unwavering dedication to the principles of Islam. His administrative reforms, commitment to the preservation of the Qur'an, and expansion of the Islamic. Like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.